Welcome back to Show Me Hydro. I thought I'd do something a bit different this week and share something I found funny. I hope you enjoy Hydro Hank and the Quest for the Liquid Gold.
Hydro Hank and the Quest for the Liquid Gold. Hydro Hank was a man of many failures, but his most public shame was the dirt disaster. He stood in his backyard, staring at a row of wilted, crunchy brown sticks that used to be tomatoes. Soil gardening was a cruel mistress, full of bugs, mud, and the constant mystery of what was happening beneath the surface. Hank wiped a smudge of grime from his forehead and vowed to leave the earth behind. He would become a master of the deep. He would master deep water culture, the gold standard of growth, where the secrets of the roots were no longer buried in the dark. Hank's first epiphany came while staring at a fish tank. If fish could breathe underwater, why couldn't a pepper plant? He realized that plants didn't just want water, they wanted to breathe it. In DWC, the roots would be suspended in a bubbly, oxygen-rich cocktail, effectively giving them a set of lungs. No more pushing through heavy clay or dry sand. Hank imagined his plants as underwater astronauts, floating in a weightless void of pure nutrition. It was a revolutionary science of submerged roots, and he was the lead scientist. Every hero needs a fortress, but Hank's first one was a mistake. He tried to save $5 by using a cheap plastic tote with a bright yellow lid. "It's practically sunshine," he chirped, "but light is the enemy of the deep." Within a week, the reservoir wasn't a nutrient bath. It was an algae party. A slimy, green entity named Phyco had moved in, throwing a wild rave and inviting every pathogen in the zip code. Phyco and his neon green friends were eating the oxygen and laughing at Hank's yellow lid. Hank didn't let the algae party stop him. He debated the path forward, the classic bucket for the purist or the Bubbleponics top-fed rig for the impatient. Bubbleponics promised to shave a week off the seedling stage by dripping nutrients directly onto the young roots. Hank looked at his tiny seedlings and looked at his calendar. He wanted a jungle, and he wanted it yesterday. He chose the heartbeat of constant aeration, hooking up a pump that hummed like a tiny caffeinated bee. Before the first drop of water touched the bucket, Hank entered the clean room mindset. He donned a full white hazmat suit, complete with a respirator and goggles. "Sterility is next to godliness," he muffled through his mask as he scrubbed the reservoir with a toothbrush. Then came the mixing of the liquid gold, the base nutrients. He added them in a precise order, stirring with the focus of a medieval alchemist, watching the water turn into a potent, translucent blue fuel. Then came the drama of the pH. Hank learned that the sweet spot of 5.8 was a fickle god. If the pH drifted too high or too low, the plants would simply refuse to eat, standing in a buffet with their mouths sewn shut. He spent his nights staring at a digital meter, his heart rate rising with every decimal point. To make matters worse, the silent killer was lurking: warm water. He realized that if his reservoir got too toasty, the oxygen would vanish, leaving his plants gasping in the heat. Success finally arrived with the root explosion. Hank lifted the lid one morning and gasped. The roots were no longer tiny threads. They were a massive, pearly white spaghetti mess that filled the entire bucket. As the plants entered the flowering stage, the stretch began. In the DWC system, they grew with a terrifying, supernatural speed, doubling in height in a matter of days. Hank had to move his lights every morning just to keep the leaves from touching the light. Mastery required a keen nose. Hank developed the sniff test, a weekly ritual of sticking his face into the reservoir to ensure it smelled like fresh rain. If it smelled like a stagnant pond, disaster was near. Every 7 days, he performed the Great Reset, emptying the entire system, scrubbing the biofilm, and refilling it with a fresh batch of liquid gold. It was a back-breaking labor of love, but the white roots were his reward. But the deep has its monsters. One morning, Hank faced the DWC arch-nemesis, Pythium, the dreaded root rot. The roots turned tan and slimy, and the leaves began to curl downward in a grim gesture known as the claw. It was a nutrient lockout. A personified skeletal hand seemed to be gripping the foliage, choking the life out of the plant. Hank didn't panic. He reached for the beneficial bacteria and performed an emergency flush, fighting back the slime with every milliliter of hydrogen peroxide he had. Hank emerged victorious, a true master of the deep. He optimized his kingdom with a water chiller that kept the reservoir at a crisp, cold temperature, and his new best friend, the pH monitor, monitored his pH and ppm with unblinking digital eyes. He sat in his grow room, surrounded by a jungle of lush, green life that grew without a single grain of dirt. Hydro Hank had found his calling, and the gold standard was finally his.
Well, thank you very much, AI narrator, for that beautiful reading of Hydro Hank and the quest for the liquid gold. Did you enjoy having a guest narrator on the channel? What problems did you see with Hydro Hank's story? Would you be interested in seeing more of Hydro Hank's adventures? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time right here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind the scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.